What's up, everybody? Today we are in Houston, Texas. We are at America's favorite buffet, or one of them anyways. It's gonna be a great time. I love buffets personally. This one's heavily reviewed. You know, this is just a standard buffet. I'm not expecting anything too crazy. We're gonna go get a bunch of food and announce the giveaway winner at the end of the video from last week. Thanks for watching, and let's go check it out. Ton of fruit, lots of fruit, potato salad, tuna salad, looking pretty good. Fried chicken, cornbread, hot roast, that actually looks really good. Meatloaf, corn, fish. Okay, got a lot of options here. All right, if you're in a Italian mood, spaghetti. Barbecue pork ribs. Okay. And then what's Mexican? All right, got the mac and cheese, chicken fried steak, stuffing, chicken, mashed potatoes, 2 different types of soup, huge piece of steak, baked beans, meatloaf, ribs, sausage, corn. It's gonna be a feast. Let's get into it. All right, first thing I'm curious about is this steak. What's going on here? Should have brought my mic today. Yeah, tender, cooked medium. Not a bad steak for a buffet. The baked beans are really good. Supposedly the shrimp's really good. Wow, that shrimp is phenomenal. Sheesh. All right, let's try these mashed potatoes. Yeah.
No ice. Ice.
We're going into the chicken fried steak next. It's actually really good too. This food is better than I thought it would be, surprisingly. All right, should we try the meatloaf? Not really a fan of the meatloaf. All right, what should we go in for next? Stuffing. Oh, wow. Wish y'all could see this. Just like peeled right off meat. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, so this was a hush puppy. I think. I don't know what this is. Okay. It's like a pancake. I wonder how long it'll take me to do all this. I keep going back to chicken fried steak. Probably my favorite so far.
What do you drink?
Oh, root beer. Thank you. Nice. Apparently they have servers kind of run around too. For refills. I'm into it. Thank you very much.
Root beer, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice, let's go. Because you initially had to fill up your drink, but then I guess they come in for backup. It's awesome. Steak's a little rare for me, but when the guy asked me, I just said yeah to whatever he said because I didn't hear him. But everything else has been really good, man. The more like well done side of the steak was really good. All right. Oh, I guess there's like 2 different types of meatloaf. I like this one more. All right, cornbread test. Cornbread test. It's really hard to mess up cornbread, you know? We got 2 different soups. We got clam chowder, and we got some chili. Gonna add some pepper, a little salt. All right. On the crowd, don't let me down. All right, that's just like okay at best. All right, up next, we have the chili. Chili's better. All right, soup's pretty average, but still good. To be continued. And I got a ton of dessert, let's go. Oh, yep, I'll definitely be over here. Soft serve, ices, okay. Some cupcakes. Brownie. All right. 3, 2, wow. All right. All right, that was very hard one-handed, but this is my contraction. We got a cupcake, brownie, ice cream, caramel, some nuts, and whipped cream. That's good. Dessert review. different. Brownie's a little bit too rich for me, personally. But it's still good. This cupcake feels like it was made a week ago. I'm keeping that. All right, everybody, we just wrapped up our time here at Golden Corral in Houston, Texas. I had a good time. It's just really standard food, you know, standard buffet food. It wasn't bad by any means. Just okay. Wasn't great. We're gonna go 5 out of 10 on the food scale, and stay tuned for the next clip. We're gonna announce a giveaway winner, and definitely like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We're gonna be hosting another giveaway next week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel, and we'll see you at the next video. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much to everybody who has liked, commented, subscribed. I really appreciate y'all. This week's giveaway winner is Faith to the Grave. What I did was a random generator. Just 5 people commented, just hit a random generator there, and that was a winner. So thank you so much for everyone who entered. We're gonna be doing another giveaway next week. See you on the tripod. Peace.